Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mazda CX-3. First, always make sure your vehicle's gear selector is in either park or neutral for safety. Next, if you have a traditional key, insert it into the ignition. For models with a smart key, simply have it inside the cabin. Then, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Finally, turn the key or press the engine start button to power up your vehicle. Starting your Mazda CX-3 can involve one of two common methods, a traditional key ignition or a push-button start. With a key ignition, you physically turn the key to engage the engine. For the push-button system, your smart key must be detected inside the vehicle. Regardless of the method, pressing the brake pedal is a crucial step. The push-button system provides the added convenience of keyless operation, making your daily routine a little smoother. Before you start your Mazda CX-3, a quick pre-start checklist can prevent potential issues. Always confirm that your gear selector is firmly in park or neutral. Take a moment to ensure all doors are securely closed, as an open door can sometimes prevent starting. If you are parked on an incline, double-check that the parking brake is engaged. Finally, quickly scan your dashboard for any unusual warning lights before you begin your journey. If your Mazda CX-3 isn't starting, don't worry. There are a few common troubleshooting steps. If the engine cranks slowly or not at all, a weak battery might be the culprit. For push-button start models, ensure your smart keys battery isn't depleted. Sometimes, a locked steering wheel can prevent the key from turning. Try wiggling the wheel while turning the key. For more detailed guidance, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.